Good morning. Welcome to Hanson's Educational YouTube channel. Today I am taking class 8 Geography first chapter, Resources. What is resources? All the materials which are essentials for human living or human sustenance are called resources. It is believed that resources are free gift of nature, but it is not true. Resources are actually not free gift of nature, because for extraction of resources we have to invest for skill, technology and efforts. Skills means engineer, technology means drilling machine, and institution. Institution means, for example, Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited extract oil by using drilling machine, and the drilling machine are used by engineers, and all three are related to this institution, Oil India Limited. It needs investment to extract the resources. So resources are not actually free gift of nature. Classification of resources. Resources are classified in various categories. Number one, on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, resources can be divided into two parts: biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources means the resources which have life, for example, plants, animals, etc. And second number, abiotic resources. The resources which does not have life are called abiotic resources, for example, rocks, minerals, soil, etc. Next, on the basis of exhaustibility, resources can be divided into non-renewable and renewable. The resources which are possible to regenerate are called renewable resource. For example, sunshine, water, air. And the resources which are not possible to regenerate are called non-renewable resources. It can be regenerated, but it needs millions of years. For example, petrol, diesel, etc. Next, on the basis of ownership, resources can be divided into individual resource, community-owned resource, national resource and international resource. Individual resource means house of an owner, or your social book is individual resource, and community-owned resource means, for example, Gordonville. Gordonville is community resource of Nalbari. Next, national resource. National resource belongs to a nation or state. For example, Kaziranga National Park is national resources. And number 4, international resource. The atmosphere, forest, etc. are called international resources. Next, resource and wealth. Resource and wealth are not same. Resources are a source of wealth. We can earn money by exploiting our resources. Resources does not have any exchange value, but wealth have exchange value. For example, poison. Poison is called wealth because it has exchange value, but air is called resource because it does not have any exchange value. And resources does not have harmful effects, but wealth have harmful effects. For example, poison have harmful effect. As a result of increasing population, the resources are going to deplete, or some people think that resources are free gift of nature, so they indiscriminately using the resources. As a result of indiscriminate use of resources, various problems may arise. For example, depletion of resources. Depletion means destruction of resources, and accumulation of resource in few hands divided the society into two sections, rich and poor. And further, indiscriminate use of resources led to ecological crises such as global warming, ozone layer depletion, pollution, landslide and so on. So we have to use judiciously our resources, which is called sustainable development. Sustainable development means if we meet our needs without compromising our future generation, then it is called sustainable development. And resources can be conserved by some ways. Number one, recycling. We have to follow the theory of recycling to conserve our resources. Next, source of alternative resources. When we using cotton cloth, we have to also use artificial fibers such as terylene, so that our future generation can use cotton cloths. Thank you.